Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my video today. If you're like me, I love chocolate. I also like cruising, and I can't think of a better combination than a cruise and chocolate, and I've got a story for you today. By the way, thank you all of you for subscribing to my channel, giving my video thumbs ups. I really appreciate it. By the way, we are going on a group cruise. Amber Travel is assisting us as our official travel agent. We're going on the Harmony of the Seas December 2020 for a 1-week cruise. Come and join us. We're going to St. Thomas. We're going to St. Kitts. We're going to Coco Cay, and it's going to be fantastic. All the details are just down below in the description below this video. How would you like to go on a cruise? A chocolate cruise on the Costa Pacifica. It's called the Eurochocolate Cruise, April the 17th, 2020 until April 24th, starting in Genoa in Italy, going to Barcelona, Palma de Mallorca, Malta, Sicily, and Rome, and back to Genoa. This is something else. This is basically what's happening here every year in Perugia, Italy. There are 900,000 people a year that show up for the International Chocolate Festival known as the Eurochocolate Festival. And the folks have teamed up with Costa to put one on a cruise ship. I think this is fantastic. You like to get nice and close to chocolate, watching it getting made like this? I would. How would you like to be part of this deal? They're offering on this cruise revelations of all the secrets of chocolates by chocolate experts coming from countries famous for chocolate making, classes of chocolate and pastry making, including laboratories and workshops to be led by master chocolatiers. Renowned chocolate artisans are going to be leading these master classes, individual tasting sessions. That's right, tasting sessions. Tailor-made foods and original chocolate menus are going to be offered in the dining rooms. Famous food blogger Sonia Peronassi will host an exclusive show cooking session. And on each stop, you're going to have a chocolate excursion at each visiting port that you're going to go to, including the Barcelona Chocolate Museum in Barcelona. How did I not know there was one? Oh my God, this is going to be fantastic. The cruise, like I said, starts April the 17th, 2020, goes till the 24th. The ship, the Costa Pacifica, was built in 2009. She's 951 feet long, 116 feet wide. She can handle 3,780 passengers, 1,068 crew, so it's a big ship. Inside rooms are available for about $950. Ocean views start at $1,050. Balconies around $1,300, and suites, and I'm talking suites, the big rooms, $1,749, not sweets like chocolate. This would be a fantastic cruise just on its own. Go to places like Malta and Sicily and Rome. Fantastic. But to have access to these chocolatiers, if I'm saying it properly, and to be exposed to chocolate, chocolate, chocolate every day of the 7-day cruise. It's got my name written all over on it. I think this would be kind of nice. The ship itself has got a lot of amenities, a wonderful spa area, which would be right up my alley, nice looking dining areas. I think it would be kind of fun to dip this wafer cone into some flowing chocolate, don't you? Oh man, does that ever look delicious. I could handle that kind of thing. Learning how to make these, I don't know if it's for me, but I know my wife would get a kick out of it. I'd get to, of course, taste the creations. I wouldn't mind that. Anyway, there you go. If you're interested, you can always call our travel agent. Call Amber Travel. They'll help book you on this cruise if you want to go on this one. What a deal this is. Thanks for joining me today, everybody. I really appreciate the thumbs ups and the support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Join us Monday live every Monday, 8 o'clock Eastern. We talk cruise ships every week. And don't forget about the group cruise, December 2020. And come and join us. We're going to have some fun. Thanks, everybody. Bye for now.